Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to use TikTok's promotion feature. There are a few steps to follow, so let's dive right in. First, open up the TikTok app on your phone. Once you're inside, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. From there, you'll want to access your creator tools. Tap the hamburger menu, the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, and then select Creator Tools. Now, here's an important thing to note. In order to use the promotion feature, you need to have at least one video posted to your profile. If you don't have one, go ahead and upload a video first. Once you have a video live, you'll see the Promote option under More Tools on your screen. Click on Promote to begin setting up your promotion. TikTok will ask you to choose a promotion package. For example, you could spend around 36 pesos to get approximately 800 views. But the price depends on the estimated number of views you're aiming for. Once you've chosen the package, hit Pay to proceed. If you want to make any changes to your promotion or your account, you can do so within the Promote section. On the dashboard, you'll be able to track important metrics like the amount spent, the video views you gained, and any new followers or engagement that resulted from your promotion. There's also a Mine tab where you can find discount coupons, if available. And you can add or manage your payment methods by tapping on the Payments section. To add a payment method, simply tap Add Payment Method and enter the required details. If you want to adjust permissions or create a promotion request for others, you'll see that option in the Permissions section. Any invitations to promote from other users will show up here as well. Plus, there's a help center in case you need assistance, and a section to view past invoices for any previous promotions. Once you've set everything up and added your payment method, click on the Pay button to finalize your promotion. If you haven't added a payment method yet, you'll be prompted to do so at this stage. Simply input your payment details, including your credit, debit card number, expiration date, security code, and cardholder name. And that's it. Once you've completed the payment, you'll be able to start using TikTok's promotion feature to boost your content. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. See you in the next video.